I've got an itch to build today. The components I'm going to be using are going to be the Ryzen R7 1700, a MSI B350M Micro ATX Bazooka motherboard, the Cooler Master N200 Micro ATX case, a 2x8GB DDR4 kit of G.Skill V memory, an EVGA Supernova G3 550W gold certified power supply, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 reference design, and a 500GB Samsung 850 EVO. If you're gonna relate and you just get that urge to build every once in a while, go ahead and let me know by dropping a like below. And consider subscribing for more build videos.